Carla Clayton, the Wellness Lady, and today I want to share with you what's in my monthly wellness subscription box. You know, with the coronavirus, I have never been more thankful for my online wellness store, being able to shop, save money, get beyond organic products that are guaranteed and amazing. So this is what's in my box. I have been ordering products from this company for 27 years, and I love the auto ship feature, which I use as my shopping list. You know how you put a shopping list on the refrigerator and you add things as you run out? That's how I use this feature. I just go in, add things I need, take things out that I don't need. Every month, it's my running shopping list. But I get a lot of the same things every month that I really depend on. And one is my lunch food. I absolutely am in love with these meal in a bars. This is cinnamon and white chocolate. I am obsessed. It tastes like a cinnamon bun. I feel like I'm eating a candy bar, but I am getting 18 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber. It's very filling. It tastes delicious, and it is nutritious. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals. It's only 270 calories. So I have enough of these for a month. And the cool thing is, when I order these from my own online store, I get all these savings and all these discounts with my loyalty rewards, my bonuses and whatnot. It's over 50% off. So really great way to save money. The other thing that I get every month is my breakfast. I use a protein shake. This is the Life Shake Vanilla Stevia Free, and it has 20 grams of plant protein, as well as it is 6 grams of fiber, 23 vitamins and minerals. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, and it's also got omega-3s in it, as well as prebiotics and a lot of other amazing things in it. So that is a full meal for less than $3 a serving. I mean, to get a healthy meal at that price, incredible. The other thing I get every single month, these are my vitamins. This is the Life Strip. This is amazing. It's got a multivitamin. It's got a B and C complex that are time released when they come out in your system. It's also got a Vivix, which repairs cellular damage on the DNA level. Just let that sink in. Think about it. It's just amazing. As well as, did I say the multivitamin? And it's got this patented smart delivery. So everything gets in the digestive system and breaks down exactly the right place. Now, before this product came out, which is a daily strip that you take every day, I was having to buy all these separate in bottles. I think I counted one time, it replaced like 13 or 14 bottles of things that I was getting because they're all combined in these. Oh, fish oil. I see the fish oils here. So it comes in a strip like this, and I wanted to show you. I don't want you to think you have to take all those in a day, but you just take this one strip in a day, and you have got over 80 bio-optimized vitamins and minerals. It's just amazing, as well as everything else I told you about. What else have I got in here? Probiotic. This is the advanced probiotic. Very, very important for a healthy gut. Do you know 80% of our immune system is in our gut? And so I really want my immune system to be doing what it's supposed to do. So this month I had over $700 worth of free products in my cart. And I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to use some of that. And I didn't use all my points by any means. I want to spread them out. But I wanted to use it on updating and getting some more skincare. So I got my Youth. This is the Perfecting Skin Toner. It's very hydrating. Absolutely love it. I got the Advanced Renewal Night Cream. This one is rich, very thick emollient. Oh, I just love this stuff. You know, I get compliments on my skin all the time. I got a message today actually on my website, and she said, "What skincare do you use? You look amazing." And it just happens all the time. And I credit it to everything I just showed you. Putting the protein, let's just sidetrack for a chance. People ask all the time, ask me about, what about collagen powder? Listen, guys, I don't know everything, but I do know that if you give your body plant-based protein in this shake and these vitamins I've been telling you about, your body will create its own collagen and make beautiful skin, hair, and nails for you. So I don't know, I've heard, we don't know about that collagen powder, but we do know about these. These have been clinically proven to do what they're supposed to do. What else have I got in here? This is my moisture activating serum, especially with summer coming. Love that extra hydration. And then I also got the renewal cream, the light version. And I also got, oh, this is one of my favorites. This is the Day Lock moisturizing. This is what I use in the daytime. So those are my skincare products that I use my loyalty rewards points for. So I got, about $100 or so worth of products for free on this order. And I just love looking at this and seeing what I got, the value. So I just helped a customer yesterday put together an order, and it had things that you buy normally at other stores. It had cleaning products, it had dish detergent, hand soap, which he or she uses in a shower. I use it as a shower gel myself. And then I also had the shakes, the vitalizer in the cart, some immunity products, MindWorks, and that retailed for over $500. And by the time we applied all the discounts, all the loyalty rewards, the out-of-pocket cost was only $260. I mean, think about it. So the reason I'm sharing that with you is because, one, it's convenient to order from my online store. Two, I'm going to help you get the most that you can for the least amount of money, because that's my superpower, is being able to know all the promotions that are going on, combine them, layer them on top of each other so that you can save a lot of money. Because a lot of people right now are thinking they might, be kind of pulling in the reins here on the money because we're just not sure about the future, and I just want to help you save some money. I know that there's been times in my own life when money was really, really tight, and I thought, well, I can't really afford these products. But the reality was, and I learned that I was going to buy these products anyway, maybe from another store. They weren't going to be as good, and they probably cost about the same if you just look, right at the price up front. But with Shaklee products, they're super concentrated. They go a long way, and then there's all the discounts and rebates that you can earn back that really brings the cost down. So basically everything's on sale all the time. The standards are incredible because everything is beyond organic standards, and everything is money back guaranteed. So if you want to know how to shop your own store and save 50% off these types of products, things you're buying every day anyway in other stores, then send me a message. I'll do a Zoom with you and show you how it's done. Take care. Visit my website, wellnesslady.com, and I hope you have a most amazing day.